All right then, a quick update for Monday. Partition wall installed, window deleted, noggins in, so 600 centers I mentioned in the previous video. That's all in, some new timber in here, and we've recycled as much as possible in there and also reused pieces here to cut them down to fit. Removed that top piece of trim up there, which will get painted white eventually and nailed back on. Or maybe blue, I don't know yet, I haven't decided. And then we've got some James Hardie Flex board that's the same as that, 4.5 mil. Luckily they come in 1200 wide, 2700 high, which is the exact height of this. Coincidence? I don't think so. And then you just nail them in with some clout. So really we only need to cut a strip for there and a equivalent strip on the back, and then fit some joiners, and it's ready for paint. Obviously a bit of skirting board on there, which I also rescued. That's at the back there waiting to go back on. So yeah, good progress. On the other side of this wall will be the customer waiting area. So picture sofa down here, telly up on the wall there. We'll add some noggins and support so we can just mount a TV straight on the wall on that side. So there you go, not bad for a Monday. Stay tuned, lots more to come. We're almost done with the destruction. That little bit of quarter round has to come out so we can fit the new James Hardie Flex board on. Got to do something with that wiring, but all this will be disconnected anyway. So there you go. Catch you in the next vid, everybody. Happy Monday.